Come ride the magical, incredible, fantastical. Come ride the Very Airy Library.
Welcome to the Very Airy Library.
Wow, it's awesome.
And it flies?
Each week,
Hey,
there's a
Mr.
new
Sam.
journey from a permanent author.
What is this place?
A few friends
You're
with us,
staying?
we about to travel on before.
Welcome, tiny human.
Ride the magical, incredible, fantastical. Come ride the Very Airy Library.
I think we're ready to go.
Everyone here is doing a fine job. Had I arms, I would be helping. This place is dustier than my treadmill. Never used. Hey, Perflopidus,
Yes, Mayor.
do me a solid. Eat my dust.
I think cleaning the library got rid of my allergies.
Well, it's looking pretty good regardless.
It really is.
Ooh, Stan. I think we got a stowaway.
Is that a kitten?
Stanley, are you allergic to cats?
Very.
Navi Watch, hush. I'm not trying to be rude, but we have to be very quiet if we're ever going to spot the rare google-eyed purple two-payed toucan. I hear something. Navi Watch, what is it? Stan? Why didn't you say so? Patch him through.
Hey, Auntie. I got a question for you. How do you feel about cats? Sorry, Philo.
Oh, I feel great about them. I have a dozen. But if you're asking if I want another,
I'm afraid I'm at max capacity.
but I think I know someone who may be able to help.
Well, hello.
Well, hey, it's James Dean.
Hey, James, I'm Stan. Come on in.
Thanks.
Welcome to the Very Airy Library.
Wow, this place is cool.
Thanks, man.
I love it.
Rebel without a cause, east of Eden, the James Dean standing right in front of me. Wait, is he a ghost?
Not the actor, James Dean.
Oh, the sausage guy, my bad. Hey, will you sign my breakfast casserole bites?
That's Jimmy Dean.
Well, then who is this guy?
This is James Dean, the writer, illustrator, and creator of Pete the Cat.
Pete the Cat and His Magic Sunglasses by Kimberly and James Dean. James, tell us a little bit about this book.
So one day, Pete the Cat was so surprised because he was grumpy. Can you believe Pete the Cat ever felt grumpy?
Hard to believe.
And his friend, Grumpy Toad, gave him some magic sunglasses. But they weren't really magic as much as Pete just had to learn to look for the good in every day. Speaking of cats, I heard you have a stowaway.
We do. It's been very sleepy.
Oh my goodness. Yeah, they sleep a lot, but she's so pretty.
She is.
Bless you.
Thank you. So, what was your inspiration behind Pete the Cat?
Well, Pete the Cat was a real cat, and he was a stray that I got at the shelter. And one day, he was sitting looking thoughtful, and I decided to draw his picture. Would you like to see it? I think I have it with me.
What's he gonna do, Cody? Pull it out of his hat? Whoa!
Here it is.
That's really cool, James. You know what? A lot of our fellow store explorers out there want to be illustrators just like you. Do you mind showing us how you illustrate Pete the Cat?
Sure. And I think I have my supplies with me.
In your hat?
No, Stan. I put it in my hat. Are you kidding?
I just thought because your picture was...
No, it's just right over here.
Oh, with hair like that, I should have known this guy was a wizard. That's wizard hair.
We're going to draw Pete the Cat on a skateboard today. And the first thing we do is we decide where Pete the Cat's going to go. So Pete the Cat is going to go right in here. And Pete the Cat's head is an oval shape like that. And then his body is a rectangle like that. Does that look like Pete the Cat? Not yet. Then Pete the Cat's legs are two upside down V shapes right there. And his ears are triangles, and his tail is a line like this, a curvy line. And Pete's eyes are going to be right here. And his nose is a triangle right there. We're going to put a bunch of blue paint right at the top. And then we're going to use the spray bottle and spray some water on it. So this is acrylic paint. And it's a lot like watercolor. Then the sidewalk is right down here at the bottom. So we're going to make a yellow sidewalk. While we're painting with yellow, we might as well make Pete's eyes yellow. Now for the grass. We're going to leave a white space where the skateboard is. Now we'll let that dry a little bit. And we'll go back to Pete the Cat. He has a really long tail today. Do you see Pete? I'm starting to see Pete. So let's paint Pete's pupils. They're triangles, and they're right there. Two triangles. And now I think we can paint the skateboard. Red and green are complementary colors, so they look really nice together, don't you think? I see two things that are missing. Do you see two things that are missing? Wheels. Whiskers. So that was easy. Are you ready to paint your own painting?
Wow, James, this is beautiful.
Well, thank you.
Story Explorers, let's give James a big round of applause for coming and teaching us how to paint Pete the Cat. So awesome. Well, that's it for today. Always remember to be kind and never judge a book or person by their cover.
Bless you.
Don't forget your cat, James.
Oh, here, kitty.
Drawing is a great way to express ourselves. Try drawing a picture of your favorite character from the Very Airy Library, or create your own character.